Looking to create pocket hole joints like a pro? The Milescraft PocketJig400 is the professional pocket hole kit that delivers. Creating professional quality results has never been easier. Skip the plastic jigs. The durable metal construction of the PocketJig400 is built to last. Solid steel bushings adjust both vertically and horizontally to fit your workpiece with a simple twist of a knob. Laser-etched scales help to set the position of the drill guides from 1/4 inch to 3 inches apart on boards from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. To secure workpieces, the Fine Adjust clamping pad quickly adapts to your board thickness. Dial in the correct pressure by finger tightening the clamp to your board, then giving it an extra turn. Inside the PocketJig400's convenient storage drawer, markings for all common board thicknesses make setting the depth stop simple and easy. When it's time to drill, the flow-through bushing design allows chips to exit the rear, helping keep pocket holes smooth and clean of debris. For an even cleaner project, insert the included dust collector into the jig to remove chips and sawdust. The universal design connects the PocketJig400 to any common shop vac. The 3/4 inch tall base of the PocketJig400 is the perfect height for creating a custom pocket hole workstation. Mount the jig to a work surface and use common 3/4 inch thick boards to extend the base of the jig to provide more horizontal support for workpieces. Or try creating a portable platform that allows for quicker setup and storage. And for mobile or repair jobs, the clamping wall of the PocketJig400 is removable, turning it into a handheld jig that fits and clamps almost anywhere. Included with the PocketJig400 are all the accessories required to get started: 3/8 inch high-speed steel step drill bit, T20 magnetic Torx driver, split ring anti-roll depth stop, and all the screws and plugs you need. Create professional joints as solid as the jig that made them, quickly and easily with the PocketJig400. Milescraft, always the better idea.